In this video, you'll learn how to change the heating element on an Infratech W-Series heater. Before you get started, you will need to disconnect the power at the breaker. Then you'll need to gather the right tools for installation. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is remove the grill. To do this, lift it in the middle, flex it up, and slide the tabs out. Next, remove the two end reflectors by removing the two screws securing them to the heater. Remove the screws securing the retaining clips on each side of the heater. Release the retaining clip on both sides. Now, you can lift the heating element up and out. After you've done this, use the 11/32 nut driver to loosen the nut from each end of the element. Now it's time to replace the old heating element with the new heating element. Once the element is in place, reattach the ring terminal. You'll need to replace the outer nut to secure the ring terminal to the element. Start out by hand tightening the nut and finish with the 11/32 nut driver. Now you can close the retaining clips on both sides of the heater and reattach the screws. Next, you'll need to replace the end reflectors by reattaching both screws to each reflector. Repeat this step on the opposite side of the heater. You are now ready to replace the grill. Start by seating the grill between the reflector and heater housing on one side. Next, flex up the middle of the grill in order to seat the tabs into the opposite side of the heater. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the element in your W-Series heater. Your heater is now ready to be reinstalled.